So this is the product that I've been asked to assess, and it's called Future Ready that I can see, and the topic that these guys got was changing Melbourne. So yeah, I can link with the topic Future Ready. Get Future Ready with us. Let's see what has it got. Home, skill assessment, industry information, how it works. Looks nice and clean background, and it's telling me like that there are different people from different jobs. Okay, so there's some stats as well. 2.5 million. It is forecasted that 2.5 million jobs would be added in the healthcare industry by the year 2023. 33%, okay, more than 33% of the current skills would be heavily affected by digital disruption in the next 5 years. Oh, okay, now I see where is it going. Like I get it now. The industry is changing, and these people are trying to get them ready for the future. Okay, makes sense. Industry information, the exponential growth of technology in recent years. I like the visualizations and the effort that has been put, but I think there's a lot of textual content going on the site, and I might not like to go through all that. Okay, I've been transferred to a video. Okay, digital disruption. Okay, that's what these guys are trying to bring, but I wonder if it is really digital disruption. The exponential growth of technology in recent years has been and is predicted to revolutionize traditional business models across industries. Okay, so I believe they are just targeting people in the tech industry, but I'm not sure how are they linking doctors and other professionals. Maybe, I mean, there are equipments in medical field as well I'm not aware of, or maybe it's like radiologists, I think. Okay, so skill assessment, a highly personalized skill assessment tool that takes into consideration your career relevant skills. It also enables career exploration and identifies different career possibilities based on your unique skill. And okay, let's take the test. Design by future ready team, nutrition. Okay. We select 2 or more options in each selection to help us determine the best fit for you. I enjoy working independently. Problem solver. Okay, I'm gonna check a couple of them. Let's see. I'm not going to go through all of them. That seems overwhelming. Maybe they need to increase the text size, reduce the content all through the site. Okay, technical skills, communication and management, people skills, your workplace interests. I think that's covering a lot of area. Let's see. What is it? Okay, your results. Okay. So actually I was expecting here a couple of graphs or something that's like telling me as a user, like I was actually expecting as a user to be transferred to a dashboard kind of stuff where it can like give me some insights, but still okay, it's giving me something. Home health aid and your skill set matches the following set, and thinkers are people who prefer to work in an idea. Okay, I'm sort of not liking the text size. I need to like, I think I'm getting to focus on this a lot. Okay, 3 largest industries in Australia. It's called industry information. Discover how digital. Okay, look at visualizations, a couple of videos. Oh, it's a link. Okay. Maybe it's better like if it opens an window inside window kind of stuff for the video, instead of like transferring. Oh, there's another video, but why are there 2 links? I think these guys should need to just put one. Let's see how it works. I think that tab should be after the home page, so I know that how it works, or maybe on their home page as a, I believe that's their landing page, and maybe they need to put more information in there regarding how it works. And sort of they have merged stats from industry page as well. How it works, okay. I like the icons and the effort that has been put to make this work. Organizers, who are organizers, okay, who are doers, who are creators, persuaders. Okay, it's nice but very overwhelming. See what the categories mean based on the John Holland's occupational theory. Okay, maybe since they are just pitching these based on John Holland's occupational theory, then maybe they don't need to put it in that way. They just need to link it with the theory, whichever it is. Otherwise, I might expect like something. Why is it just John Holland? I think it's like tackling a real kind of problem, and I do like agree with the problem statement that the industry is changing, and people also need to adapt to the changing needs of industry and get upskilled, things like that. And this is trying to give them a ready-made career choice, I believe, which is like really tough to do while you're changing careers. And I think it's getting somewhere. Yeah.